Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a row on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you have it, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through any browser you're currently using, or a Microsoft Store if you're using that, or if you prefer to use that. So of course, you will not be able, of course, to download just the Excel application. You'll have to download like the Office pack, which is gonna have other applications. But of course, once it's downloaded, if you don't like something, you can just go and delete it, and you keep just the Excel if you want. And if you just download it, or if you already have it, just go and open it up, and of course once it's open, this will gonna be your home screen. And here you can actually log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, just go and create one, so you can actually use the application, because the Office apps are paid, so you'll have to pay to use them, or you need to activate your account, which is gonna be the same. And here you can actually click at new to actually start a new workbook, or just choose some of their templates, or you can open here, click at open to open some saved files if you have on your PC. For me, I'm just going to click at new, then click at blank workbook. And as we said, we would like to pin a row on this Excel application. So how can we actually do that? So we would like to select the row below the row that you want to freeze or to pin. So let's say as an example, you would like to, you can actually like pin more than one if you want. So let's say as an example, you would like to pin this first row. So if you want to do that, you would like to go to the second row, okay? And then on the view tab, you would like to go to view. You would like to click now at freeze panes here. As you can see, you'll find it here. So of course, sorry, just select this, and once it's selected, I don't know, so once it's selected, click at freeze pane. As you can see, this will appear this for us. So of course you can freeze the panes, or freeze top rows, or freeze first column. As you can see, keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the work sheet scrolls, or keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest worksheets. That's what we would like to have. So of course click on it, and now if we go down, as you can see, the first row only always gonna appear. So if we write something in the first row, for example hello, and here it's gonna be test. So if we scroll down, it's always gonna appear for us here, and no matter what. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.